Okay. Just having a look at my auxiliary USB adapter here. I want to put it right there. So take off that plate. See how much room I have. I think it's going to be a tight fit, but I think I have the perfect size thingamajigger. Hold it. So I think if I was to measure that size, I think that's the good size hold bit. And if I look at this this piece here, there's an X right where I want to put this hole. And it's like they made this thing for this perfectly. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Let's do that. Let's put this hole in this piece. Okay, so this is the end result. Looks like it worked out okay. There's some overlap, but I wanted to make sure I didn't overlap the beveled edge. And it's okay to overlap there. I don't think that looks too bad. But it should give me another couple of 3 amp chargers for my cell phone and what have you. And it doesn't come in that far. So I'll try the headlamp. If the headlamp doesn't work, then I'll have to do something else, but that's what that looks like. Overall, not too bad.